Alright guys, it's been a while since I've been on here, and well, you may or may not have noticed, but it's a simple explanation for that. I have been busy with uni exams and assignments, so yeah, that's why I've been off here. But I am back now, I guess. So what I'm going to just do today is install the rest of these what is it called again? Noise insulation pads in my doors and around the car, just to give better audio from the sound system, and also isolate road noise a bit more, so it's a bit quieter in here. And yeah, I'm going to be showing you what I have done since the last time, so maybe a bit of an update. So yeah, let's just get to it. I've already got one installed in there. Let's shove it. As you can see, right there. So I'm gonna install another one here, and then cut a smaller piece and install it right behind there. So I'm gonna take this out. Right, and I'm gonna install one right behind here. Alright. I also noticed that a lot of rattling comes from this locking mechanism here. So what I'm going to do is wrap the bit in here where it makes contact with the metal. So I'm just going to wrap it so it doesn't make that noise. Right, that's that noise eliminated. And that's what it's looking like at the moment. That's what it's looking like at the moment in there. I'm just gonna give it a bit of clean and this bit of clean, and then wrap them as well. Alright, should be much improved. I've got some more, ordered some more. I don't think I've got enough left for what I have in mind, but I've ordered some more. I'm gonna be when they come in, I'm gonna be installing them on the outer skin here, and also I'm gonna install them inside the boot lid. Where else? I think that's gonna be it. I'm gonna do the other side, the other door, and then I'm gonna do the interior, the rear speakers. I'm gonna install some behind the rear speakers on the inside. So yeah, this is adding extra weight to the car, but honestly, performance is not my priority right now. My priority is comfort and sound quality. So I've just finished with the front doors and the rear speaker enclosures. So I'm just gonna move on to the boot lid. Yeah, let's do that. So there isn't much room to work with up here. It's only about this surface here is about that wide. So I'm guessing one pad should be enough for that. Right, let's do this. So I've just finished installing the installation pads in the booklet, and I have one left, so I am going to be installing it under here. As you can see, I've already lined the spare wheel well with it, and there's the spare wheel sub. So I'm going to be lining this with the material as well. That will help keep the low frequencies in. Alright, so it's all done now. I have installed the pads strategically in here, in the booklet, in the spare wheel well, in the doors. Listen to that. In there, speaker enclosure. So now I'm gonna show you what's changed since the last time. First things first, what's changed is I've changed the LEDs on this side. These are new. They are much whiter and a bit brighter as well. The new switchbacks. Let me show you what I mean by switchbacks for those who do not know. They double as the indicators. So yeah. Right. What else has changed? Just the other day, it's been 2 days now I think, I installed an amp. I installed an amp to power the spare wheel sub I showed earlier, and it's quite an improvement. I can't wait to see how much of a difference the sound insulation has made. And the other thing that has changed since the last time is under the hood. There, I installed one of those. Yeah, so basically, I know most of you are thinking this doesn't make any sense. I'm still running the stock airbox. But the thing is, I like the stock airbox, and I'm pretty sure there's a reason Honda designed it as they did. But obviously, I want the noise from that. I like how it looks, and yeah, it seems to work. It doesn't like make much. It doesn't seem to make any difference in the power, but in the noise. Well, let's have a listen. Yeah, it makes a lot of difference. It can be a bit too loud sometimes, but you know, it can get a bit obnoxious, but that's the fun of it, isn't it? Right, so now to see what difference the insulation makes to the audio. So I'm gonna turn the AC off, get my phone connected to Bluetooth, and see what difference this makes. That is making quite a difference. Whoa, that is quite impressive. See if I can get something else to play something else. To the front drivers. Major improvements. Damn. You know, if you like music, if you like to listen to music in your car and you're serious about music at all, you need to install some sound deadening. It will greatly improve your audio, like greatly improve it. Like that is so nice. weight penalties, I don't even care. My economy is not going to be as good, my acceleration is not going to be as good, you know the trade-offs, but I don't care. My music is my music, so I have no doubt that the sound isolation is going to be greatly improved. So yeah, I'm happy with that. So what's my plan for the upcoming weeks? Because JDM Colm is around the corner, so yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have a go at making the fender flares blend into the body more. I'm gonna use some Bondo to fill the gaps in and then smooth it out, and then I'm gonna spray paint the fender flares to color match the rest of the car. So I hope that goes well. So yeah, that's gonna be the project for the next couple days. So I'll be catching you guys in the next one. Listen.